everybody, I'm here today with a video tutorial on the Samsung Galaxy Watch 4. In this video, I will specifically be showing you how to charge the smartwatch. This will be an easy tutorial, so let's get right into the video. Now, for some people, charging the Galaxy Watch 4 will be quite obvious if you've owned other smartwatches that are similar to this. But if this is your first smartwatch that sort of looks like this and has a charger like this, you might not know how to charge it, okay? So that's why I'm here to show you exactly how to do it. All that you need is the charging cable that you got with your smartwatch. You need the actual smartwatch, and you need to have access obviously to the underside, so you can't be wearing it when you charge it. You need to have access to the underside, okay? And you need one of these, I'm not sure what they're called, I call them power bricks. Essentially, you probably have lots of these lying around from your various devices over the years. So what you want to do is plug in the USB end of your charging cable to the power brick, just like that, okay? Then you want to take your power brick and plug it into a wall outlet. I'm going to plug mine in right over here, just like that. Make sure there's power obviously coming from the wall outlet. Sometimes, people plug them into wall outlets that are not working, and their device doesn't charge, and they don't realize why until later. So make sure obviously you're choosing an outlet that works. You can plug in a lamp to the outlet to make sure that it works. That's a simple idea. And then this end over here, you'll notice that one end is flat. Sorry, I have something caught in my throat. Give me 1 second. Sorry about that. I just finished dinner recently, and there's something caught in my throat, but it's okay. I can continue. Anyways, this part is flat over there. There we go. My throat's nice and clear now. This part's flat. It's got a label on it, and this part has a little curvature, a little dip in it, okay? So essentially, you want to use the part that has that curvature to line it up with the underside over here. And then what we're going to do is we're going to just put them together, and magnetically, it's going to attach. And we're charging just like that. It's that simple. Whenever you want to stop it from charging, you simply unattach it like that. It's magnetized, so you can just pull it off. Then you can put it back in place. It starts charging, and the best thing about it is it tells you how long until a full charge. So right now it says for me 21 minutes until a full charge. We're at 93% charging, and it's we're 93% we're currently charging, and 21 minutes until full charge, which is really cool. That's basically it. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment, and of course be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.